Notice how she's keeping that tarp to the inside, and if the horse gets where she's stepping on it with her back feet, all she has to do is turn the horse into it a little bit. You see right there, it disengages her hindquarters, and then she doesn't step on it. But I always want whatever you're dragging to be the inside, and as long as that tarp or barrel or dummy or cow or whatever is on your right side, you only turn right. And then if it's on the left side, you only turn left. Good job, young lady, good job. All right, bring her over here. You can drop the tarp. Drop the tarp. All right, walk her here. Bring her straight to me. All right, I'm gonna come straight to you. I'm just gonna hand it to you, and you grab it. Grab the reins with one hand, and you're just gonna have faith that she's gonna stand still.